Students, this is second second lesson, exponents and powers. Okay, so this is the lesson name, exponents and powers. So already in previous class you might have studied the powers, okay, and in expanded form also you have studied this one. So let us see now. So now I want to start like what is mass of the earth. Let us see what is the mass of the earth. Mass of the earth is 59700000000000000 kg. Okay, this is the mass of the earth. Okay, so here this can be written as in exponential form 5.97 into 10 to the power 24. 10 to the power 24. How you got 10 to the power 24? So you can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 5.97 into 10 to the power, these zeros you can omit. Okay, 10 to the power 24 you got. Okay, that many kgs. See here, 10 to the power 24. How I am reading? 10 to the power 24, or else 10 to the power 10 raised to the power 24, like that also. Otherwise 10 to the power 24. This is the way of reading. Okay, now 2 to the power m. 2 to the power m, or 2 raised to the power m. Okay, so what is the meaning of 2 to the power m? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into etc. 2 into 2 into how many times? M times. How many times, children? M times. Okay, now this is how the exponents, these are called like 10 to the power 24, 2 to the power m, 100 to the power 0. All these are the expressions of exponents. Okay, now powers with negative exponents. Okay, exponents, in exponents we can see the powers will be with the negative sign. Okay, how it is? See, 10 to the power 2 is 10 into 10 is 100, 10 to the power 1 is 10, isn't it? So that can be written as 100 by 10. 100 by 10 is nothing but what? 10. Because if you divide this, you will get back 10. Okay, now 10 to the power 0 is how much? 1. Yes or no? See, remember always any number to the power 0 is always 1. Okay, so that is nothing but we can write 10 by 10. 10 by 10, if you cancel this or else if you divide, you will get back 1. So 10 to the power minus 1, negative. Power is negative. 10 to the power minus 1 is equals to how much? 1 by 10. Okay, this you have studied in decimals lesson. So the place values of decimals. Okay, so that in that chapter you might have studied this one. 10 to the power minus 1 is equals to 1 by 10. Okay, now 10 to the power minus 2 is what? 1 by 10 to the power 2. That is nothing but 1 by 10 to the power 2 is nothing but multiplying how many times? Same number 2 times. Yes or no? Same number in the sense 10 into 10 is equals to how much? 100. Okay, so 10 tens are 100. So 3 to the power minus 1 is equals to 1 by 3. The negative sign that brings the number into the denominator. Okay, children, this is what powers with negative exponents. Now in general, a to the power minus m can be written as what? 1 by a to the power m, where m is a positive integer. When it comes down to the denominator, what happens to the sign? Negative sign will become positive sign. Okay, so a to the power minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power m, where m is any positive integer. Okay, this is what. Now next is laws of exponents. What are laws of exponents? See, the first law is a to the power m into a to the power n. How to write this one? See here, this you have to observe very carefully here, a and here a. So the base. Okay, one more thing I did not tell you, that this is called base and this is called power, okay, or exponent. Understood? So a to the power m, in this base is a, m is power. Here a is base and n is power. Okay. Here base you can observe here, both are same. So in that case we can write, we can add the powers. When multiplication sign is there, we can add the powers. When division sign is there, that time you have to subtract. Okay, here you can see, first let us see this one, then afterwards we'll go to second. A to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. Why we are adding? Since we have here positive, into sign and bases are equal, that is why we are adding this one. Okay, where m and n are natural numbers, any natural number. Okay, now second law is a to the power m by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. Okay, m, this positive integer, if you take it up, what happens? M minus n. So when you can write this one, when m is greater than n. Okay children, and one more thing, when base is same, that time only you can subtract or you can add like this. Okay. Now third law is a to the power minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power m. Okay. The fourth law, a to the power m whole to the power n. In this case, what you have to do? You have to multiply the powers. That is a to the power m into n is mn. Okay. Now let us see fifth one. A to the power m into b to the power m is equals to ab to the power m. Now sixth is a to the power m by b to the power m is equals to a by b to the power m. Okay. Now seventh is, just now I told, any number to the power 0 is always is equal to 1. Example, I have taken here a to the power 0 is equals to 1. If 100 to the power 0, that is also is equals to 1. Understood? Any number lakhs to the power 0 is also equal to 1. Okay, understood? So this is how you have to write. And these laws are very, very important, and you have to apply in the problems. If you don't know this one, what is that laws, then you are not able to understand this lesson. Okay. So please, all of you, learn this laws of exponents properly. Like by-heading, you have to by-head. Okay. And one more thing, you must know how to by-head. First understand, when multiplication is there, when bases are equal, then you have to add. When division is there, the bases are equal, then you have to subtract powers. Okay. And a to the power minus m, that is negative power is there, that comes in the denominator with base. Okay, a to the power m. And multiplication is there, a to the power m whole to the power m is nothing but multiplying powers, a to the power m n. Now here both the bases are not same, but the powers are same. So that time you can multiply a into b, ab to the power m. Okay. Now division, a to the power m and b to the power m, both are different. ab to the power whole to the power m, a to the power 0 is equals to 1. Okay children, these are the formulas. Please by heart learn. But before by hearting, first understand well and then by heart it. Okay. These laws are very, very important to solve the problems. And this lesson is actually very, very easy, but you must learn the formulas. When you learn the formulas and where to apply, if you know, then this will be very easy. Now example 1, find the value of 1, 2 to the power minus 3. Second one, 1 by 3 to the power minus 2. 2 to the power minus 3 is equals to 1 by, this negative is there, isn't it? So a to the power minus m is nothing but 1 by a to the power m. In the formula we have now that. So 1 by 2 to the power 3 is equals to 2, means 2 cube is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to 1 by 8. This is what the answer. Then 1 by 3 to the power minus 2. See here, it is in the denominator. If you can take this in the numerator by changing the sign. Negative sign is there, positive sign. If positive sign is there, negative sign comes up. Okay, children. So 3 to the power 2 is equals to 3 into 3 is equals to 9. Now, in the second example, simplify minus 4. Okay, minus 4 whole to the power 5 into minus 10, 4 whole to the power 10 minus 10. Okay, so how to simplify this one? See, minus 4 whole to the power 5 divided by minus 4 whole to the power 5. 10. Both are same. That is same base we have. So therefore we have formula a to the power m then divided by. So I'll write here a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equals to what? A to the power m minus n, isn't it? So minus 4 to the power 5 minus 10. Minus 4 to the power minus 5 is nothing but 1 by, minus is there, no? You have to take it, minus 4 whole to the power 5. Okay, this is what the answer. If you want, you can multiply this minus into minus into minus into minus. If you multiply plus, then 4 how many times? 5 times. You have to 4 into 4 into 4 into like that. Otherwise, you can stop it till here itself. Okay, now let us move to next problem. 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power minus 6, that is equals to, division is there. This is nothing but 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power minus 6, that is 5. 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 6 will become plus 6. Now base are equal, therefore 2 to the power 5 plus 6 is equals to 2 to the power 11. Now example 3, express 4 to the power minus 3 as a power with the base 2. Okay, now 4 to the power minus 3 is equals to, 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Okay children, whole to the power minus 3. So 2 to the power minus 3 into 2 to the power minus 3, bases are same. So you can add 2 to the power minus 3 plus of minus 3, that is equals to minus 3 is minus 6. That is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 6. Okay. Now example 4, simplify and write the answer in the exponential form. Okay. Now 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 8 whole to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 5. Now 2 to the power, this is division. Yes or no children? So division is there, means 2 to the power 5. It will become minus 8 whole to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 5 is equals to 2 to the power 5 minus 8 is how much? Minus 3. Correct? 2 to the power minus 3 whole to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 5. Okay, that is equals to 2 to the power minus 3 into 5 is what you have to multiply. So it will become minus 15, 2 to the power minus 15 into minus 5. Bases are same. So therefore you can add. That means you can have that with the sign. Okay, minus 5. That is equal to 2 to the power minus 20. That is equals to 1 by 2 to the power 20. Then now second one, minus 4 whole to the power minus 3 into 5 to the power minus 3 into minus 5 to the power minus 3. That is minus 4 into, since the powers are same, so therefore we can multiply. Bases are not same, so therefore we can multiply minus 4 into 5 into minus 5 whole to the power minus 3. That is equals to 5 5 is a 25, 25 4 is a 100. Okay, minus into minus plus 100 to the power minus 3. That is equals to 1 by 100 to the power 3. Now 1 by 8 into 3 to the power minus 3. That is equals to 1 by 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power minus 3. That is equals to 2 to the power plus 3 is there. If you take it up, it will become minus 3 into 3 to the power minus 3. Both bases are different. So you can multiply this. Since powers are equal, you can write like this: 2 into 3 whole to the power minus 3. 3 is equals to 2 3s are 6 whole to the power minus 3. So 1 by 6 to the power 3. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, now next is fourth problem. Here minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 by 3 to the power 4. Okay, now minus 3 to the power 4, and here powers are same, so therefore minus 3 by 3. This can be taken here whole to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4. That is equals to, here you can cancel this one. So you will get minus 1 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4. Minus 1 to the power 4 is nothing but minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. That is equals to minus into minus, plus plus into minus, minus minus into plus, minus 1. Sorry, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus minus into minus again plus, so plus 1, understood, plus 1 you will get into 5 to the power 4, that is equals to 5 to the power 4. Now example 5, find m so that minus 3 to the power m plus 1, okay, into minus 3 to the power 5 is equals to minus 3 to the power 7. How? See here, since the bases are same, so that you can add this one and this is, you can equate. Since bases are same, therefore we can take only the powers m plus 1 plus 5 is equals to 7. Okay, now m plus 1 plus 5 is 6 is equals to 7. M is equal to 7 minus 6, m is equals to 1. Okay, now example 6, find the value of 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 2. Now 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 3 to the power minus 2, that is equals to, so if you take it up, negative will become positive, that is 3 to the power 2 divided by this one. If you take it down, you have to take it down, isn't it? Since we have here negative sign, that is why. So 2 to the power 2 you will get, that is whole to the power 2, that is equals to 3 3s are 9 divided by 2 2s are 4. This is the answer. Now example 7, simplify 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 3 to minus 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 3 divided by 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 2. Okay, now this one minus is there. If we take it, you have to take it up, is it not, to make it positive. So 3 by 1 whole square minus same thing 2 by 1 whole square, sorry, whole cube divided by 4, that is 1 by 4 is there, so 4 to the power 2. Now 3 3s are 9 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 9 minus 8 divided by 4 4s are 16 is equals to 9 minus 8 is equals to 1 divided by 16, that is equals to 1 by 16. The second one, 5 by 8 whole to the power minus 7 into 8 by 5 whole to the power minus 5 is equals to 5 by minus 7 divided by 8 to the power minus 7, that is into 8 to the power minus 7 divided by 5 to the power minus 5. It is equals to, so we can take like same base which is having, so that is 5 to the power minus 7 divided by 5 to the power minus 5 into 8 to the power minus 5 divided by 8 to the power minus 7. Now 5 to the power minus 7 minus 5, if you take it up, plus 5 into 8 to the power minus 5. Okay, this is, if you take it up, plus 7, that is equals to 5 to the power minus 2 into 8 to the power 2, that is equals to 8 to the power 2 divided by, since we have here negative, so 5 square, that is equals to 8 8 is 64 divided by 5 5 is 25. This is the answer. Now let us move to the exercise. Okay, evaluate 3 to the power minus 2 is equals to 1 by 3 square, that is equals to, what you get here, 1 by 9. Now minus 4 to the power minus 2 is equals to 1 by positive, it will become positive here, minus 4 to the 4 square is equals to 1 divided by minus into minus plus, it will become plus 16. This is what the answer. Now third one, 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 5, that is equals to, negative is there, this half will become, that is 1 by 2 will become 2 to the power 5, that is equals to 32. Okay, this is what third problem. Now let us move to the fourth problem. 3 to the power minus 1, 3 to the power minus 1 in plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 whole to the power 0. That is 3 to the power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 3. This will be 1 by 4 and this will become what? 1 by 5 whole to the power 0. Any number to the power 0 always gives you what? 1. So therefore without simplifying you can write 1 as answer. Now let us move to the fifth problem. Minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 2 whole square is equals to 3 by 2. Minus 2 by 3 is nothing but 3 by minus 2 whole square plus, you will get whole square, that is equals to 3 3s are 9 divided by minus into minus plus 4 whole square, that is equals to 9 is 81 divided by 4 4s are 16. Then fourth one, first problem, fourth main first problem, 8 to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 4 is equals to 2 to the power, this one, 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, correct? So 2 cube whole to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 4. Now 2 to the power 3 into minus 1 is nothing but minus 3, okay? Then if you take it up, it will become plus. So minus 3 plus 4 into 5 to the power 3. That is equals to minus 3 plus 4 is 1 into 5 to the power 3. That is equals to 2 into 125. That is equals to 250. So homework is second one. 5 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 into 6 to the power minus 1. This is the homework. Please do it. Next, fifth main, find the value of m for which 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equals to 5 to the power 5. 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equals to 5 to the power 5. 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equals to 5 to the power 5. Understanding? This division is there, no? That's why. Now, 5 to the power m, this minus 3 will become plus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Now, since bases are same, so we can equate the powers. So, powers are m plus 3 is equals to 5. Then, m is equals to 5 plus 3. If you take this side, it will become minus 3. Then, m is equals to 2. This is the answer. Now, sixth problem, 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1. So, 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 1 is nothing but 3, correct? This will become plus. Then that means 3 has to come to the numerator. So, similarly here also minus 4, okay, whole to the power minus 1. Minus 3 minus 4 is nothing but minus 1 whole to the power minus 1. That is equals to 1. Minus 1 is there. So, this minus 1 will come to the denominator. Same thing, 1 divided by minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 only. So, this is the answer. Okay, children. Then next is homework. Please do this homework. Second, 5 by 8 whole to the power minus 7 into 8 by 5 whole to the power minus 4. Then simplify. Next main, seventh main, simplify. 25 into 3 to the power minus 4 divided by 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into 3 to the power minus 8. You see, where t is not equal to 0. Now, 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2 into 3 to the power minus 4. Okay. Then 5 to the power minus 3 into 5 square. Correct? 10 is there, no? Here. This cannot become 5 square. 10, no? This is, yeah, this is 10. So, 5 into 10 it will become. Sorry, 5 into 2. Okay, children? 5 into 2. Then, here, 5 to the power 2. Then, minus 3, if you take it up, it will become plus 3. Then, 5 to the power plus 1. Sorry, if you take it up, it will become minus 1. Understood? Or else from this step, I will do it again. Now, here, you can see children here. Okay. So, 5 to the power, see, 2 minus 3. If you take it up, it will become plus 3. Why I am taking this one? Since bases are same. 5 base same, and here one more is there. So, then, what is the power of this 5? 1. 2 to the power 1. Okay. Now, 5 to the power 1. Correct. So, 1 if you take it up, it will become minus 1. Okay. Into 2 to the, 2. There is no other 2 here. So, let it be there. Let us see what happens here. Now, t to the power minus 4, minus 8 if you take it up, plus 8. Whole divided by 2. Yes or no, children? This 2 is that. So, now, next is 2 to the power, 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Isn't it? So, 4 into t to the power minus 4 plus 8 is nothing but 4. Divided by 2. This is the answer. Okay, children. Now, homework is 3 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 125 divided by 5 to the power minus 7 into 6 to the power minus 5. So this is exercise 2.1. The next is use of exponents to express small numbers in standard form. Okay, that I will do in the next video. Okay, thank you children.